We are taking bacon and eggs up a notch this morning with Nik Manojlovich from Weekend at the Cottage. So I'm learning all kinds. So all of my friends do this. They all make bacon in the oven.
Yeah.
And I'm worried about like how much of a mess inside the oven does it make?
Way less than stovetop.
Okay.
So we're 400 degrees. We've lined a baking sheet, put a wire rack, thick cut bacon. I'm going to give you this.
Okay.
You're going to go here. We're doing bacon, black, yes, and blue. So who knew if you add a little bit of black pepper and blue cheese to bacon when you cook it this way, honestly, Annette, this is the bacon game changer right here. It is so delicious. We're going to put this back in the oven to crisp up, and this bacon is going to get all gorgeous and
So do you wait until the bacon is almost finished before you put the blue cheese on?
Last 10 minutes, we're going to put this on, and this is going to finish. So that's black and blue bacon. You saw it here first. Change your game, people. Bacon can be this delicious. You're
Okay, and again, if you don't have a baking tray, like the cookie tray or whatever like that, can you just put it on the tin foil, or is that going to?
No, totally, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, I only did it this way because of the convection feature. It's going to let the bacon sit high. All that fat's going to render away. Don't worry about it if you want to put it right on the baking tray.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Now let's
deviled
continue.
eggs.
Yeah, so let me show you first what's in the bowl. So we have mayo, sour cream, Dijon, hot sauce. I do lemon juice, which is unexpected, and then garlic powder.
And why the lemon juice?
It just brightens everything.
Okay.
So you have a kind of a smooth mix for these deviled eggs, but what's Nick doing with the strainer?
Yes.
What you do is when you split your eggs, you're gonna pass this through the strainer. And the goal here, you can see it all coming out the bottom there.
It's almost like a lemon rind or something.
Exactly.
But it's egg rind.
But look at how fine this is. And this is what the trick is to deviled eggs, is to process the egg yolk through the sieve, and then you're gonna have the creamiest eggs imaginable.
Oh, so you're not gonna get lumps or anything
Exactly.
in them, right?
And even when we were heading into this, we were talking to a couple people here at the fabulous family team at CHCH, and it's like, Nick, you want to try? Look how smooth this is. Are you a good piper? You're a good piper.
I don't know.
Yes, you are.
Uh-huh.
Trust yourself. Go right. Yeah, go ahead. Look.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, I'm
but
all
it's
right.
smooth. It's not
You need
chunky.
more
It's
eggs.
gorgeous. We need more eggs. So far, so good.
Okay.
Now, let's do traditional. Annette, I'm going to give you paprika.
Okay.
Do like a little, you do with your little fingers.
Can I do that?
Yeah.
My little fingers.
Traditional.
Okay.
Give me 4 of those, 3, 4.
Okay.
And I'm going to finish. This is nothing too fancy. We've all done this. Paprika and parsley.
And we think of this as shower food or funeral food.
Really?
Yeah.
I
it's
think
such
of
a
it.
treat.
I think of it as March break and Easter.
Okay.
That's what this thought was, because I know there's a lot of people right now watching March break at home, and this is what you should be making with your kids. It's such a fun activity. Let's take this blue cheese.
The blue cheese.
Yeah. Now, deviled eggs, same great recipe. You've just done that.
So I'm putting it on different eggs.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a lot of blue cheese. That's perfect. So, oh, look at that. Do you like blue cheese?
No.
Oh, come on. Why? Well, you're going to try one of these eggs after. I'm going to make
you're
her
gonna
try.
make me.
I am going to make you.
Against
right?
my will.
Done.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right.
So number 2 is this chives and blue cheese. This really, really delicious flavoring.
Okay.
Let's do little shards of bacon. Put a little shard of bacon on there.
Can I just eat this?
Yeah, you can. I know it smells so good in here. This is why we love this classic combination of kind of stick them in artfully. Yeah, we love this classic combination of bacon and eggs. If you do it with deviled eggs, it is so delicious. And truth, these are the ones that disappear first.
You have 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
And the last
Oh,
one.
a little pepper, I like that.
Yeah, black pepper. The last one, smoked salmon.
Ooh.
Horseradish.
Okay, here we go.
Capers.
20 seconds. We're going to just keep decorating here. All the info will be up on the Weekend at the Cottage update, and we'll have the link to that at chch.com.
There you go, everybody. Happy March break.
And what is that?
Horseradish.
Ah.
Yeah. And then I'm